Let us do an interesting program here. Just we'll be creating a game using Python, a simple game of guessing the number. So what the goal is here, it is written. The program will generate a random number between a range. We can specify the range, and the user has to guess the number. Okay. So being a user, I have to guess that what the random number is generated. So let's try to do a program. It's quite interesting. So to do a generate a random number, basically we have to import a library from Python. So that is import random. Okay, and after that I want that the system should generate a secret number or a random number, and it should be in a range. So let me define that range. So let's say range underscore secret range. Let's say system range or something like that. So system range is equals to, it's a integer type value, and I'll take the input, means I can fix the input on my own, so that I am giving the input here. So enter the range, I'll write here, enter the range between which the number or the secret number to be generated. Okay, so it will just ask me the number, sorry, it will me just ask the number, and then what we are going to do, we are going to write the program here. The program starts from here. So you have to generate a number. So let me write secret number. Okay, the secret number is equals to what? It is a random number. So random function you have to use here, random dot rand integer. It will generate a integer value between what? Between 1 to the system range that I fix, between the system range. So it will generate a random number between that. So now what we have to do, we will just create a while loop. So while to, if I write like this, that means the loop will never stop. It will go on continuing till a break statement is there. So it's an infinite loop with a break statement. Okay. So let's say we take a guess. The user is going to guess the number. So is equals to, I'll take integer type, because whatever number the user or me I'll guess, that should be integer. So I'm taking an integer value, and from where the value will come, I'll take the input from the user. So I'm writing like this. I'll write guess the number. Okay, so that's it. Now we have to take that if what the guess I have done is less than what, less than the number that is generated, which is the secret number. Okay, so try to understand line by line. So if the guess is less than the secret number that is generated, okay, then what to do, we have to do something. So then we'll print if it is less. So then we'll print too low, guess higher. Okay, so that means I am just telling that means the number is very low, you guess a higher number. Okay, now if this is not the condition, means if the number you guessed is not less than the secret number or the random system generated number, so I'll write a condition else if the guess is greater than secret number, then we have to do something. So what we have to do, again we will print. So what to print? Too high, then comma, guess lower. Means I am just prompting that guess the lower number, you have guess a higher number. Or else if both the condition are not true, that means you have guess the right number. So else I have to print just a message like bingo, you guessed right. Okay, so then while it is going on, then what we will do, so we'll break. So if any of this means once this else statement will be executed, then we'll break the while loop. Okay, so break means what? After the perfect means number is guessed, we have to break the while loop. so that I can go out of the loop, otherwise it will go on. Now let us run it. So enter the range between which the secret number generated. So let me take 10 for here so that I can complete easily. So I don't know what number is generated, let me enter 2. So it's saying bingo, you guessed right. So in the first choice I made it right. So let us run it again. Let me take again range of 10. So let me take 5. So the too high guess is guess lower. That means I'll guess, let's say 3. Then guess is too low, guess higher. That means 4 is remaining. So if I enter 4, the number is 4. So bingo, I guess the right number. So it's just a luck that in how many chances you can guess the correct number. And finally, here what we can do, we can write, we can print. So what we can print, what is the secret number that is generated. So we can print the secret number generated is what? The variable, which variable? Secret number. Okay, that's it. So it will just now tell me what number is generated. Let me take again 10. So guess the number, I'll guess 2. Too low, too higher. So let me guess 5 now. It's too low, guess higher. Let me 8 now, guess 8. Too low, guess higher again. I think it's 9. Okay, bingo. You guessed it right. The secret number generated is 9. So that's how we can create a game using the Python.